Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your embed code from Calendly. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use one of your scheduling events and have it on your website. In order to do that, one of the ways to do it is to get your embed code. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your embed code from Calendly. First, you're going to log onto your Calendly account. Then click on the three dots on the right-hand side. Then click on Add to Website. Then click on Inline Embed, and then click on Continue. Now on the right-hand side here, you're going to find your embed code. So you can click this, highlight it, and then copy it, or simply just click on Copy Code on the bottom right-hand corner. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your embed code from Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.